It's super lightweight, right? Wow. So what I saw, can I film the GT? Yeah. What I saw is this beautiful beast right here. Oh my God, that is so sick. Wow. That's for sure one of the best cars. So I'm here at Champion Motorsport because client sent the diffuser of the body kit because we developed a body kit together, and the only missing piece was the diffuser, and we're gonna mount it today on the car. It looks so badass in real. Okay, just by looking at it, I think it's a bit bigger. They are a little bit longer than the original ones. We try to figure out how much bigger they are, which is actually not necessarily a good thing because the car is very low. And oh yeah, there's a huge difference. So you can see here already. Sometimes it happens that you simply touch the ground, and with those it's gonna even worse. So that means like even more careful, driving careful while pulling back and stuff. But I think it's gonna be looking badass. Wow, looks aggressive though. Love it. Did you offer the body kit so far to the customers?
We've quoted a couple, yes. Right now, like I said, because of the tariffs, everyone's kind of reluctant to commit because we can't tell them exactly how much it's going to be.
All right. But that sounds like a plan, like to paint this in white and to wrap the diffuser in body color. That's an amazing idea.
I think it'd be cool.
Yeah, it will look amazing. So this is the plan for the next months when the car arrives in Europe, because we're going to ship it.
Well, even if you went white, because of this separation here, it might be okay, but it looks really big.
Oh yeah.
If it was touching, it's not touching, so you might be okay.
Yeah. No, I think that's brilliant. I didn't think about that, but it's really brilliant. That was an easy fix. Yeah, I drove above something on the highway.
Yeah.
But it's not good that I drive like that, right? I need new tires.
Yeah. Pretty new. So you probably
Yeah, they are new. They are new, and I drove. I don't know what it was. I just felt it, and then also not only the tire, also the wheel is bent. You can see it here. Yeah, also the wheel is bent.
It's been a hard hit.
Yeah. So I'll need another wheel and 2 tires.
Good thing you know, guy.
Yeah. I don't know if you can see that, but I mean, usually I'm very careful when I drive, but this is very aggressive, so they're gonna break for sure. But it looks mean for sure. It looks insane. Can't wait to finish it up, like paint the diffuser white and the other piece in body color. It's gonna look insane. Alright, it was a quick job. The guys from Champion Motorsport did a really great job. I mean, it was quick and it looks insane. I'm just worried a little bit about the clearance. the ground clearance because I already touched with the stock diffuser, and the stock diffuser is just simple plastic. It's not carbon fiber. It bends, and it's not that sensitive, but carbon fiber cracks. So once you touch it, it cracks and it's destroyed. Gotta figure out if the guys from Klein offer replacement parts for the diffuser in case you damage it, you destroy it, or you just need to replace the whole fucking thing. But I'll figure it out and keep you posted. I would like to know your opinions, how it looks, if you like it, if you like the looks. I mean, it looks insane. It doesn't really fit the theme of the car right now. I need to wrap it in white, but this is gonna happen once I receive the car back in Europe, and it's gonna take a little while, I think at least 1 month, but that's no problem because my cars are waiting back home, the E9 and the G80, so I have cars. Well, yeah, that's basically it. Not only that, I got my diffuser installed and it looks insane. I also talked to Ben, which is obviously the manager of this facility, that we can add our wheels to their portfolio so they can sell them. And I really believe that's a good reseller because they do just Porsches. And we do a lot of Porsches. We did in the past a lot of GT3 RS and GT3s and Turbo S. And I think that we can do a good collab. That's it for today. So